Yan. Uy, may mga ano, mga karamihan sa pagkukupo, mga 50 above na. Yan. Konti lang ang 30, 50. Yan. Pag mga babae, 50, 60, ano yun sila, tawag nito, nasa menopausal state na ba yan, sir, no? Ganun, no? O, menopausal na. Pag lalaki naman, 50, 60, hindi na menopausal yan. Yan, hindi na menopausal tawag yan, menopause. Wala na eh, no? So here we go, we started number, ladies and gentlemen. The song was taken from my long-playing album, my photo album. And by the way, for those who want to make some requests, please just write your favorite song on a piece of paper, please put your name, and please put something inside. That is the most important one. Dok, yung taga-Davao, kung meron kayong pera malungkot, kagaganyan, Dok, padala niyo sa akin. Ako nang bahalang magpasaya sa kanya. Ha? Ipadala natin sa Tacloban. Okay? So here we go. This is a serious song, a song by Serious Osmeña. Boy, we have some Chinese doctors also tonight. Yeah. Ni hao ma. Yeah. Ni hao ma. Yeah. Ganun lang yan, siyempre. Ni hao. Ganun yan. If you want to ask something from a Chinese guy, you say, money how? And then he will say, how many? Yeah. Okay. Yes, Doc. Meron kayo if some requests.
Saan magbabayad sa'yo?
Ganun ba? Ay, Doc, sorry, Doc. This will be happily and lovingly deducted from my salary. Bahala na, Doc. As long as masaya tayo, kahit na wala akong sweldo, okay lang yun, Doc. Pero konsensya mo na yun. Ha? At this point, I'm gonna sing a Chinese song. Yeah, I learned this song when I was in Singapore. Singapore is a very clean, very nice country. It's in between two countries, Singapore and Singapore. The middle is Singapore. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Chinese song. This song was composed by Jackie Chan, arranged by Sang Ho, and recorded by Jet Li. Here we go. Chinese song. You want to hear? Yeah, Manidam, yes, go. Here we go. Có lại áo mama, Papa của trai cha. What in the she trai chi pizza. So, tapos na daw. You want to hear more? One more? Yeah, I know another song. This is another Chinese song. Malungkot-log o mabilis? Mabilis. Bilisan natin. Okay, here we go. This is a Chinese song. This is a love song. Love song ito daw. The title of the song is Mei Wa. Mei Wa means flower in China. Mei Wa. Flower. Yeah. Mei Wa flower. It's a female flower. Mei Wa eh. Kaya female. Mei Wa. Okay, here we go. Ang mga word kasi lumana kasi. Tapos na yun, palakpak na. Tapos na. Salamat po.